Hi everyone, welcome to Frivolous Guys. I am Arun. Today we are going to do an unboxing video of the Apple AirTag, which comes in this case. As you can see, it is a 4-pack case, which means it has 4 AirTags. This is the cover. There's nothing fancy about this cover. Yeah, you can see some French being written in the back side. Then yeah, it's not like the iPhone cover wherein like if you touch on top of the AirTag you don't feel anything, so it's not like soft to the touch or anything. There's no bump like the iPhone cover. Now let's unbox it quickly. So here you can see that there is a green arrow that says tear me. Let's tear it up. Oh, it was easy. Let's open it up. It is difficult to open, still cannot open it. Okay, here we go. So this is the AirTag. Then if I'm opening, oh, you have 2 AirPods to one side and you have 2 AirPods on the other side. So yeah, this is it. Like does it have the Apple logo? Usually every Apple product has an Apple logo with it. This is just some documentation in English, regulatory compliance and safety and handling documents. Then this is it's a limited year warranty, which means it is 1 year warranty. And then oh yeah, it doesn't have that usual Apple logo, but yeah, the AirPods have the logos. And yep, so if I'm picking it up, this is it. This is the AirTag. I think it's, if you can see, it's not closed. Maybe it has the batteries, because if they don't do like this, then the batteries will start to work, and then the moment you get the AirPads in your the AirTags in your hand, it would already be, the battery would already be over, so you might have to get a new one. Now that's my thought, but I don't even know if there is a battery inside it or not. Oh yeah, it looks really nice. It's cool. So yeah, you can, I don't know if, I think you have to open it like this. Oh, it has started to make a noise, so I don't know how to do that, but hey, definitely seems to make a noise. I don't know if it is because it's connected to the iPhone, or is it because it has just started by itself and it is making noise. So yeah folks, so this is the unboxing video of the AirTags. Yeah, it is very small. If you can look in my hands, this is only it. I think you will have to buy different accessories so that you can clip it to the bags, or yeah, you can have it as a keychain, whatever, or else you can have it dump this in a bag, so that if the bag is the one that you want to follow, then yeah, you have to have it inside the bag. So this is the AirTags unboxing. Hope you guys liked it, and like our video if you like it, and subscribe so that we can bring in more videos like this. Cheers, bye.